Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, you will learn how to change size of text, size of cursor and pointer in Windows 10. So let's get started. Go to Settings, click on Ease of Access, click on Cursor and Pointer, change the pointer size. Increase the pointer size from here. You can make it bigger or you can make it smaller. You can also change the pointer color. You can make it black with white border. You can make it transparent or you can choose your favorite color. Here suggested pointer colors. You can choose one of them or you can choose custom pointer color from here. Here you can see that I have increased the size of pointer. I have changed the size of pointer. Now let's increase the text. Let's make the text bigger. To make the text bigger, click on Display, Make Text Bigger, increase the text size. Here is the sample text. You can check the output from here. You can make it as bigger as you want. Click on Apply. Here you can see that text color is bigger now. Let's make it smaller. Here text is smaller now. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.